Magandang araw, kids! So, moving forward with our lesson, we are done already with addition of fraction. So, ngayong araw, matutunan ninyo kung paano mag-subtract ng fraction. First subtopic for this lesson is subtraction of similar fraction. As we all know that similar fraction has the same denominator. As you can see with our example, we have 4/8 minus 3/8. Since pareho ang kanilang denominator, same with addition of fraction. Just copy your denominator and then proceed with subtraction. So 4 minus 3, the answer or the difference is 1. Since mga anak, makikita ninyo ang ating sagot is 1/8. Wala nang number divisible to both numerator and denominator. Therefore, 1/8 serve as our final answer. Okay. Another example, mga anak, we have 4/8 minus 2/8. The same denominator tayo, ha? So, kung pareho ang denominator, copy our denominator and then proceed with our numerator. We will just subtract our numerator. So, 4 minus 2, the difference is 2. As you can see, ang answer natin ay 2/8. Ang 2/8 ay pwede pang i-reduce into lowest term. So, think of a number that is both divisible by our denominator and numerator. Ano kayang number yon? Okay, yes. Divisible by 2. Ang 2 ay divisible by 2. Ang 8 ay divisible by 8. So, let's proceed. 2 divided by 2, ang answer mo ay 1. 8 divided by 2, ang answer mo ay 4. Ayan po. So, 1/4 is our final answer. Ito po ang lowest term ng 2/8. Okay po? So, this will be your final answer.